In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging video using CapCut that you can share on TikTok or offer as a captivating template for others to use. Let's dive into the process, where I'll guide you from starting a new project all the way to sharing your final masterpiece. First, go ahead and open CapCut on your device, ensuring you're ready to embark on a new creative journey by starting a fresh project. Once you're in, let's get those creative juices flowing by importing the video clips you want to work with. You'll find the import option is straightforward, and arranging your clips on the timeline is your next step. Take a moment here to think about the sequence you want your story or message to unfold. This is your playground, so feel free to experiment with moving the clips around until the order feels just right. Now it's time to elevate your video with audio that captivates. Consider adding trendy music that matches the tone or energy of your video. Whether you're aiming for something energetic or more laid back, the right music can make all the difference in how your audience connects with your content. Alongside the music, incorporate fast cuts and stylish transitions to keep your viewers engaged. These elements not only add dynamism, but also give your video a polished, professional feel. As we continue building on this dynamic foundation, the fourth step involves adding text, emoji animations, and effects that sync with your content. Think about where text can highlight key moments or add context to your visuals. Emoji animations can provide a whimsical touch or convey emotions that enhance your storytelling. Don't forget to explore the variety of effects available to enhance the visual flair of your video. The goal here is to make your content resonate with your audience on multiple levels. Once you're satisfied with your creation, CapCut allows you to export your video seamlessly. It's exciting to see all your hard work come together. For those of you who are TikTok enthusiasts, the next step is uploading your freshly made video to TikTok. Make sure to include the hashtag CapCut template. This not only shares your creation with the world, but connects it to a larger community of creators using CapCut. CapCut also offers the option to share your project file as a template if supported. This means you can inspire others and let them build upon your creative foundation, adding their unique flair. And there you have it, a complete guide to crafting a video using CapCut from start to finish. Remember, each project is an opportunity to refine your skills and push your creative boundaries. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see what incredible content you'll create next using these tools and techniques. Keep experimenting and happy creating.